Full of secrets and mystery ang upcoming drama mystery collab ng GMA at ABS-CBN na The Secrets of Hotel 88 na muling pagsasamahan ng kapuso housemates na sina Mika Salamanca, Will Ashley, AZ Martinez, Dustin Yu, Josh Ford, kasama rin ang Star Magic X PBB housemates na sina Brent Manalo, Ralph De Leon, Esnir, River Joseph, Bianca De Vera, Clarice Guzman, Cyril Manabat at Kira Ballinger. True to its title, maging mga castmates had their share of secrets pagdating sa script at plot twist ng kwento.
We thought at first na parang, parang PBB to. Pero this time around, it's so different kasi parang may mga sikreto kami lahat sa isa't isa.
May mga scenes din po na tinitake yung each actor na bawal namin sabihin. Full of mystery talaga siya, full of secrets na pati kami hindi po namin alam.
Pero don't let the title fool you dahil hindi lang daw isang genre ang dadaanan ng kwento. Bukod sa drama, comedy, may touches of thriller and horror din.
A roller coaster po talaga kasi yung Hotel 88.
Parang for the past years, ang ginagawa kong characters, puro serious eh. I mean, ito serious naman, but this time parang medyo bagets-bagets eh, jolly-jolly yung atake ng character.
Ako na-enjoy ko yung character ko dito kasi it's something na parang I like. Medyo light siya.
Medyo iba kasi siya sa mga usual na ginagawa ko.
Bukod sa ganda ng kwento, aabangan din ang ganda ng location ng serye. Challenge nga raw na marating ito.
Hindi siya flight. Like, we take a boat talaga. Yeah, we take
taxi.
Water taxi kami going to the location.
After taping, kapag pack up, then we all have dinner together. We talk about what happened in our days, catch up, maybe study the script together.